Hey guys, uh, today I would like to share that how I got the icons into my designs so quickly uh, without spending a lot of time. So I'm using Figma, and I got the plugins called Openstroke, and today I'm going to walk you through that how I have quickly got the icons into my content. So for demo purpose, I have prepared this template, and actually I'm designing this website for Sketches digital marketing services, where we have like providing this kind of services, and I would like to use an icons here into this design that matched with this overall template. So for this templates, what I have prepared is I have a list of blocks, the services blocks, and I have prepared all this folders. Now if I dive into it, each one I would like to use an icons here for that fits into 75 by 75. So now I'll show you how I have placed the icon so easy without spending much time. So let me select all that I would like to see in icons. Probably let me try for first 3, and let me search and let me open up this plugin called Openstrokeicons. There we go. So I have already logged in, but I think it's a very quick and easy. If I log out, it's a quick login, and since I have already logged in web, it's redirected to and already sign in here. Just one click sign in quickly. There we go. So now I have selected all 3. Now what I have done here is I would like to have an icons in 75 by 75 for search engine optimizations, SEO. So I know the right keywords is SEO. I don't need this long keyword. So I have placed hash and the keywords and icons I'm looking for. So hash and SEO, similar way if I see here is just a website, I'm sure I'll get an icons. I would like to have an icons something like an email, so or inbox. So I'll probably type email. I can also try inbox too if I get some good icons. So let me select all 3. I'll run this plugin, and magic box, this is absolutely free and it runs very well for me. Run magic box. There we go. All right, now I don't like these icons, doesn't work for me. I'll try again, click again, run magic box. Okay, give me some better icon please. There we go. So I think this works for me. I would like to go with this. Still I'm not like as expected. Maybe try some different icons. You just have to click it. You don't really need to search or Google, go to the other websites and search again and all that stuff. This plugins solve all that. So I think this www maybe makes sense. Now the final one, email marketing. All right, I think this will work for me. It matched, consistent, looks good. Let's move forward. Now I'll select this time rest of the services icon. I would like to have an icons for all 6. Run. There we go. Okay, I like this one. Social media I deselected because I'm done. Okay, this is also good. I still need to get the better icons for all those. Paid ads. Okay, UI UX good. Content marketing good. Let me refine it. Paid ads. Oh. Okay, you can continue clicking and they'll provide the best option. There we go. So I like this icon. I'm still looking for better one that match with my rest of the icons. Okay, I think this will work for me. So I think this is very quickly helpful. I'll drop the links in descriptions. Feel free to try it out and drop a comments if you like, and please share. Thank you so much.